Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, it's a cool myth right here. And basically what this is some stainless steel shower curtain hooks. So you can use this to hold up your shower curtain, which is pretty cool. If you guys can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like and what the product looks like. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that they mention how it's rust resistant and corrosion free. So you don't have to worry about any corrosion or rust when you guys actually use the product over time, which is pretty cool. So I'm actually open this up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. And for the one that we got right here is a set of 12 of them. Let me bring it a little bit closer. Alright, so when you guys look at the product, this is basically what it looks like. So you see right here, they definitely have that ball design that makes it a lot easier for you guys to use it. When you guys actually apply it onto your shower curtain rod, so that will actually glide really easily, which is pretty cool. And this is a clip-on option, so all you need to do is just clip it on like this. So all you need to do is slide in your shower curtain inside right here and just hook it back in like this to lock it back in, and then you guys all set. If you can see, very simple. When you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely feels like a pretty sturdy and pretty strong stainless steel material. But the main thing that I really like about this product is the fact that they have these balls right here. That way it makes it a lot easier for you guys to move it back and forth and glide it when you guys put it on a shower curtain. So that's basically what the product looks like here. Let me actually bring it over to like the shower room and show you guys how to install it and show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have a shower curtain and we do have the hook set right here. So the old one we're using right now is a stainless steel one. But for the new one, it is a black one. So I'll actually show you guys how to install it. So what you guys want to do is open up this part right here. And then you just want to put this inside. And then you want to hook the actual shower curtain on top, just like this. And then you want to close it back up. And then it's all set. So you want to do the same thing for the rest of these right here. So let me show you guys how to actually do it. Alright, so see that once you fully install it, this is basically what it looks like. So definitely see all the black stainless steel shower curtain hooks right here. And really easy to actually use as well. All you need to do is go like this. And slide it over. And then we'll slide it back. It just slides back so easily using the little balls that they put on top, which is pretty nice. Then I'm actually bring it over closer so you can see a better view of the product. Alright, so when I bring it closer, you guys can see that this is basically what that product looks like. It definitely looks pretty cool and definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. But literally all you need to do is just clip it on right here and clip it onto your hole that you guys have right here on your shower curtain, and it's all set. So this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys fully install it. Really easy and very simple to do, if you can see right here. I'll come back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to actually install it and super easy to use, if you guys can see from the test. I really like how easy it is to actually use the product when you guys actually install it. Like you can see from the test, actually glides so easy back and forth, left and right, using those little balls that's designed on the top, which is definitely pretty awesome. And just like the whole setup process was actually really easy as well. Like all you have to do is just clip it on, just like how I showed you guys earlier. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a really high quality stainless steel shower curtain hooks to actually hook on like your shower curtain for your shower curtain rod, then you definitely get one of these right here. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.